We came up with an M21 style trade, which required some trade planning up front, a lot of hard work up front, which Susan was really, really good about, and the rest of us were marveled at her ability to run through that stuff so fast. And we developed a positive, negative theta trade in the class, and in the program, John does one-on-one reviews, and he just gives feedback. And it was a really amazing experience to kind of really, it was the whole open your mind up thing for me, and it was an aha. And so, this last quarter, we're in a straight up market. I did my trade planning, took some live money. It was basically based on that pink team strategy, and I made 28% return on capital.
Nice.
And so, to me, that was just like, you know what? No, not only did I pay for the course, but it was just like, holy crap. I'm looking at the market and the option configurations and the structures and the adjustments in a totally different way. Now I've got another way to approach the market, and I actually have added this trade to my portfolio of strategies. And so, that's what you could do when you pull all this together.